Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and then go to Bluetooth. Now remove the headphones from the charging case and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold the main buttons on your left one or right one earbud until you can see that LED starts flashing blue and red. As you can see, I just entered to prank mode, so click on your headphones. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!